So we'd made it to the cave section. I had to climb around the edge of this wall, which was 90 degrees.
Oh my God. Right. I love around the cliff edge. Can I get my fingers in there? Yes, I can. Mantle. Fingers in again. Around again. Oh yeah. That's definitely going to be a scary one for Louis.
Yeah, look it down like whoop.
What can I go under here?
I mean, it's not good, but it's doable.
Holy shit, that was...
Yeah, that was a bit more.
That was good.
It's just there.
Oh my God, that exposure there is so gnarly.
And then I saw it, the high line.
You.
There was about a 20-metre high line that had a 500-metre drop below it, and we had to cross it. It was insane.
I get scared on these, like, the Looney Tunes thing's going to happen, and I'm going to go...
Ah, pistol squat. I don't know how you do that section. Oh my God, look at that exposure there. Oh my word, this is very moving a lot. Oh, yep. Yeah, right. I'm on an adventure at the moment. That was, yeah. That was something. So the first half was when I was actually upset about it, and the second half I was okay.
The 2-wire high line got my heart racing the most. The exposure was crazy.
You're way too comfortable out there.
Then Eleanor, one of the girls I was climbing with, just started bouncing around the line. All I could do was think, this girl is actually mad.
Oh, how's this going to happen? Come on, fucker. Get around there.
We came up to this super cool cave chute with a waterfall inside. It had ladders and big overhangs. It was so epic.
So cool.
So cool.
That is awesome. It's hard to see even the holds. Climbing by braille.
I took my sunglasses off in the cave section, put them on my backpack clip. I then forgot and proceeded to take my backpack clip apart. My glasses went bye-bye.
Catch. Oh no, they're gone.
Eleanor tried to catch them, but she just missed.
You were close to catching them.
I know, I'm not close enough.
You were so close.
They are now offerings to the mountain gods.
So cool. Where's that ladder go? Around the side, does it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. That's so cool.
It's really cool.
Let's just do this forever.
So fun.
It's like such joy for me to be doing this. It's like this. I love it so much. Yeah, good work. I was thinking when I was riding the other day, I want to leave this life thoroughly used up, physically and spiritually, you know.
Like, this is the shit you want to see, you know?
You don't need that many material things. You need experiences for sure.
This is it. We are very, very lucky to get to do this. To be physically strong enough.
Yeah.
In the next section, we had to climb up through the edge of the waterfall where the water was splashing on the rocks. And it was so slippery and sketchy. We had to be very, very careful.